Applying a final finish to a project is a satisfying step, but it can be intimidating because some finishes can be tough to apply and you don't want to ruin your project at this stage. That's why for most Build Something projects, we prefer Wipe-On Finish. There are several types available, but they're all easy to apply by wiping on with a rag or by using a foam brush. To ensure success, make sure to saturate the surface completely. You don't need to leave a lot of excess, but you don't want to have starved or dry areas either. One great thing about Wipe-On Finish is that you don't have to worry about brush marks. Do make sure to cover the entire surface at one time. Stopping partway can leave a visible line called a lap mark. When you have the surface covered, look for any areas that you may have missed or where you may need to apply a little bit more finish. Let the finish sit for a couple minutes and then wipe off any excess with a rag. Add a second coat after the recommended drying time using the same techniques. You can use Wipe-On Finish on bare wood or over stain just as easily, and you'll end up with a great looking finish.